Hello, everybody, and welcome to the first edition of Black Love Review. I am TK.
I'm KG.
And we are reviewing nuts.com today.
Nuts.com. Yeah, so what is this? What type of nuts is this?
Well, these are not actual nuts. So nuts.com, let me explain right quick. Nuts.com is a website that has nuts. It has nuts like almonds, cashews, peanuts, but it also has other stuff like cookies, candies. So they have like different little options for you to choose from, different snacks. So we're supposed to be tasting some of this stuff, but we started digging into it before we got on camera.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I was hungry.
So
I just got off work. I needed a snack.
I got him some trail mix. Tell him about the trail mix.
It's gone because I ate it. It was pretty good. It wasn't, salty. Like you get you some trail mix from like the gas station somewhere. It be extra salty sometimes. It be trying to kill you. But it was a good mix. It was heavy on the raisins though, which I like raisins, but I ain't trying to get a raisin in every bite. But the trail mix was delicious. I did eat the whole bag.
Yeah, see
one night. So
his gripe is what I am liking about the trail mix.
Oh, you like all the raisins?
He thinks there was too many raisins, and I
like a lot of raisins with my nuts.
I thought there were just enough raisins. No. I like having a raisin in every bite. They could have
took off one scoop of raisin.
I like having a raisin in every bite. So, the other thing that we tried was the chocolate covered pretzels.
Wow.
Some of the items come in similar bags. The prices for the items I think are fair, because based off of how much you get. Because you get about a pound of whatever it is you buy. So if you buy chocolate covered pretzels, you get a pound of chocolate covered pretzels. These here are ginger snaps, and you get when you buy it, you get a pound, and it's a nice size bag.
Pretzel is not overly salty, which is great. It's just enough salt with sweet.
I think it's a
nice pretzel too.
It's a great blend of salt and sweet. The chocolate covered pretzels are pretty darn good.
Oh.
As a matter of fact, I'm having to probably get those away from him because he'll eat them all, finish them off, and not even care about me.
Well, I'm just gonna take these to my side of the bed.
Now, tell them what you thought about the ginger snaps.
Ginger snaps are trash. I don't care who.
In his opinion.
I don't know. Yeah, you just told me to give my opinion, right?
Yes.
Ginger snaps are trash. I don't care who makes ginger snaps. I don't care if it's your grandma. I don't care if it's the corner store. I don't care who it is. Your auntie from down south. Ginger snaps are trash. And I will never endorse them.
I liked the ginger snaps. I thought they were delicious. So, I guess it just depends on the person. Now, I'm going to go grab a few more items for us to try on camera. So, I will be right back.
And stay in the bed. You stay in the bed, my child.
Robert.
Oh, are we back? Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry about that. The boy.
So,
I love him though.
I'm going to grab us a couple of things of water.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to grab a couple of these. Man, what's these?
This will help cleanse our palates while we try.
Okay.
So first thing up is
green apple drops.
Green apple drops.
Are me like gumdrops? Nah, these like them.
I think they're hard.
Yeah, them old ass hard candies from back in the day.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Let me see. All right, y'all see that? Yeah, y'all remember these kids born in the 80s? In some parts of the country, this is the gumdrop that was in your grandma's purse. And this is what she gave you when you asked for a piece of candy. And you ate it.
I'm sticking it in your mouth already.
I'm just saying, like, this is what this is. It's that piece of candy with no wrapper that came from your grandma's purse right before church. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like an old lady purse from the 90s. Delicious.
It's good.
That's good. Remind me of my childhood.
It's easy to break too if you go ahead and crush down on it.
My teeth is sensitive.
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you just gotta suck it slow. You know what I'm saying?
It's easily breakable.
But that's fire though.
It is good.
That remind me of some childhood.
I like that. Okay, so the next one we're gonna try.
Set that off screen.
I guess we'll do this one next. This is the cherry sours.
Cherry sours. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, I remember these little cherry balls from back in the day. If you lived in the hood and the snow cone man would come and you would get those little pink cookies and he'll have like a bag of those red little ball candies. That's what these is. What? What? Alright, you can do these now?
Yeah, go ahead now.
Alright. Let's break it down. Open up the things, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shucks, fellas. I can't open it.
Give me that.
I messed it up. I'm sorry.
Oh, you ripped it up wrong.
I ripped it wrong.
You ripped it wrong because you didn't rip it low enough. How you rip it wrong?
How you rip it wrong? There you go.
You gotta rip it low enough so you can open it up.
Rip it low. Alright, yeah. So look, let me show y'all. Look at this. Look. Y'all remember these? Look at these. Y'all remember these, right? Y'all remember these?
Robin, get out of that face.
Little summertime candies.
Did you take 2 of them?
Huh?
You're supposed to take 1 at a time.
Yeah, that's what I did.
We got 4 more. We got 2 more bags to go through.
Yeah.
That's good.
Tastes like a corner store. Tastes like Hawks in a good way.
Okay.
Anybody from the west side remember Hawks? You know what I'm saying?
So the next one is the blue raspberry licorice twist.
Hold on, let me see. Wait a minute, child.
No, I'm just trying to rip it the right way so that.
Let me touch the bag. Let me look at this. Oh, this is just some blue licorice.
It's blue raspberry.
I don't got no story. I ain't really like licorice when I was little. I ate it, but I don't got no hooray story. What am I?
No, I'm gonna split this one in half because it's so long.
I can't get my own licorice.
Here, if you want a whole one by yourself, then go ahead. Put it in their face.
This ain't nothing but just some blue licorice. You know what I'm saying?
The blue raspberry.
Raspberry. It tastes like. It tastes like a raspberry freeze pop.
It's good.
Without the freeze pop part. That's pretty good.
I like it.
Well, that's all right. Like my homeboy loved him some Twizzlers. They alright, but that nigga low. But I ain't mess with him. You know what
It's good. I feel it.
I'm
I think I gotta eat the whole bag of these.
I can pass on those.
Blue
They all
raspberry licorice. So.
They good. If you like licorice, you probably like that, but I'm not really into licorice like that.
Alright.
Waxy candies are weird.
Okay. So now we're gonna try chocolate covered almonds.
Chocolate covered almonds.
Sit there. I'll open it. Yeah, I did. Okay.
Yeah. Chocolate covered almonds. There y'all go. Some nuts covered in chocolate.
These are a nice size.
Yeah.
Not too little.
These about like the size of some nuts covered in chocolate.
Good. And I love chocolate, so.
And I like nuts. That's mostly what I eat throughout the day to get my protein.
Yes, to the chocolate covered almonds.
If you like chocolate covered stuff, yes. But I'm a guy who prefers my almonds on their own. Roasted. Light salt.
And that is
No
an option.
chocolate.
That is an option on nuts.com. So if you are not someone who likes chocolate covered almonds, you can go on the website and get
Let's get you some regular almonds.
regular almonds.
Regular almonds are fire.
And you can get them
delicious.
salted and unsalted.
Yeah. You should have choices when it comes to your salts. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I give nuts.com that.
So
They do have great options. But they can
it's
get rid
a
of
yes
the ginger
for
snaps.
the blue raspberry licorice
It's
for
a
me.
yes for them. I can take and leave the blue raspberry. So I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna
He's
I'm
saying
gonna say no.
to licorice. I say yes.
Just because I'm not a licorice fan. I don't really like waxy candies.
Yes to the green apple drops.
Green apple drops
These
for
are good.
sure. Grandma's purse all day, every day. You know what
Yes
I'm
to the
saying?
chocolate covered almonds.
I like my almonds without chocolate. If you like chocolate and nuts, go for it. But I'm just not a fan of both of them together, really.
Yes to the sour.
Yeah, yes to
cherry
them right
sours.
there. Yes to them cherry sours. You know what I'm saying?
These I'm gonna keep on my side of the bed because.
And we gonna say yes to these mother sucking pretzels. These pretzels are delicious.
They are so good. Give me that bag.
Nah, this gonna go to my side.
That's gonna be gone by the end of the night, y'all.
It'll be on my side.
And ginger snaps, yes for me, no for Robin.
Out of here.
Robin.
Ginger snap out my life.
I'm like, you're so mean.
Ginger snaps are disgusting. It's a horrible cookie. Who eats that? Only Andre people can eat ginger snaps. Because ginger snaps are hard. You got to have hard, strong teeth. And Andre people got strong teeth. Because they just be Andre all the time. They the only ones who eat ginger snaps. Thinking about Andre stuff to do while they eating them. Because can't nobody else eat them but them. Hard ass cookies. Ginger don't got to be that hard. And where the snap part come in? Because it's so hard. Snap your tooth.
We do, we love the website. That's.com.
Yeah.
So if you guys
it's
are
definitely something for everybody.
We'll put a link.
And everything not going to be for everybody, but they got something for everybody.
And this is not a paid advertisement. We just wanted to do something for fun.
I'm not famous. I'm just the guy in the living room. These nuts was good. You know what I'm saying? For the most part, and Candies was on point.
And if you have any suggestions on things that you would like for us to review, leave them in the comments below. We're trying to decide currently what our next video is going to be.
Yeah.
Did you want to do a video so they could get to know us or talk about like how we met or something?
Yeah, we can do some crazy stuff. Yeah.
So yeah, that's another video we'll do. We'll do a
documentary. A mockumentary.
We'll do a mockumentary. Talk about so you guys can get to know us better. This is our first of many, hopefully. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will be back.